Generate a YouTube transcript for free in just 1 minute? Here's the easiest way to do it. First, open the YouTube video you want to transcribe. Click the share button and copy the video link. Now go to NoteGPT.io in your browser. You'll see several AI tools on the homepage. Select YouTube Transcript Generator. You can also use the video to text tool to get the same result. Paste the copied YouTube link into the input box. Then click the generate button. Wait just a few seconds while the transcript is being created. That's it. Your full YouTube transcript is ready. You can copy it, download it, or edit it however you like. If you found this tutorial helpful, give this video a like, subscribe for more AI and tech tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.